So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you have been with me for however long, then thank you so much for supporting me. Welcome back, guys. So, if you can see, hopefully by the thumbnail, because your girl hasn't made it yet, then you will know that I won a giveaway. Imagine that, right? Me, won a giveaway. So if you want to see what I won and you want to hear all about the goodness that came with this, please, by all means, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, like I said, if you are new here, allow me to break it down what we do on this channel. This is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, both inside and out. I like to say mind, body, and soul because, yeah, beauty isn't just cosmetics. It's, making yourself a better person or feeling great about yourself. And that's what I try to do on this channel. I like to connect with somebody or many people on different levels. And, if I can make you smile or forget about the world for just a little while. And if I can make you laugh, even better. I am who I am. I'm not a 20-something-year-old YouTuber, but I do believe that I have something to offer, whether it be learning together or, just going over things. And we do a lot of unboxings on this channel. I do a lot of reviewing. I also have a freebie series within the channel that will teach you how to get free, full-size products just like I do on a continuous basis. It doesn't cost you a dime. It's just a little bit of your time. I have a freebie playlist if you want to check it out that will tell you a little bit more about it. If you think that you can connect with me on some kind of level, then please, by all means, consider subscribing. Become part of the family. I do treat this channel as a family, and it's just a great place to hang out. I'm a little crazy, but I'm a good crazy, and I like to make people laugh. I believe that this world needs a lot of laughter, especially now when things going on. Most of all, please, whether you're subscribed or not, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. It's a great, easy, free way to help your girl out, trying to grow the channel a little bit. Let's get into this. So I am super excited, guys. So like I said, I don't know what I did for the thumbnail because I haven't done it yet. But if you can see the box, okay, you will see this is a Jeffree Star box, guys. Yes, Jeffree Star. Imagine that. Now, normally when you see me with one of these boxes, what am I doing? I'm doing a giveaway, right? As you can see, I do have a little something on my lips, guys. I couldn't wait. Yes, I have dipped into this. I have seen it. And I can't believe it. So, first of all, I will tell you, I did win a giveaway, and I won it from the Not So Evil Stepmother. Alex, I want to just first, before I even open this and show everyone, I just want to say thank you very much. You've been someone that I admire so much, and I have admired for a very long time. I always learn something from your channel. I mean, whether it be just how to be real and, bring things to the table that need to be said, or, just, I learn from you. I learn a lot. Never once, I don't think, have I ever clicked on a video and not come away with something that I didn't know before I clicked on that video, if that makes sense. I always learn something, and I enjoy that. And you're just so real and down to earth. And that, guys, if you know me, that's what I look for in a YouTuber. And I don't subscribe to people lightly. I must say that. I will watch them for, however long it takes for me to see, am I going to subscribe? Am I going to stay with this person? Because once I subscribe, I don't unsubscribe. So that's why I'm very careful on who I do use that button with. I have been subscribed to the Not So Evil Stepmother for quite some time now, and love every minute of it. When I learned that I won a giveaway from her, I was ecstatic. I was like, wow! Like, I went ape crap, okay? So yeah, let's just get on into it, and I'll show you what I got. It's crazy. Jeffree Star box. And guys, you know I love purple, right? So hang on one second, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out. From the Not So Evil Stepmother, and I hope she doesn't mind I call her Alex for the purposes of this video. I did win the pig set, guys. I mean, You know, I don't have anything like this in my collection. As a matter of fact, I don't really have a lot of Jeffree Star at all. And, you know, I do buy a lot of Jeffree Star when I can afford it, like when there's a sale or something, or like the mystery boxes, but I buy them specifically with you guys in mind, you know, the people who are, you know, supporting me, and it's my way of giving back. So when I win something like this, it's great. But the fact that I won it from the Not So Evil Stepmother, it makes it all that much more wonderful. Because, like I said, I do admire you, Alex, very, very much. I just think you're great. I hope one day I am 1/1,000,000th of a YouTuber that you are. Because, I mean, like I said, amazing. Content, you know, personality, everything. It's like one inclusive great package. And, like, kudos to you. Oh, and BTW, I don't do greens. Everyone who's been with me for a while knows that I really don't do greens. I think I did one with the Raw Beauty Christie palette, however, you know, for that giveaway. But in lieu of there is a reason this is on here. There's two reasons, actually. A little funny story that goes with this, but I happen to know from watching her videos that, Alex, you do like green. So it was my little attempt at some type of tribute, you know, did my best anyway. Again, green is not, I'm out of my comfort zone with that. Anything for you. Okay, so I want to go ahead and just read a little something that she sent me. It says, Stephanie, congrats, girl. Thanks so much for entering and being such an amazing subscriber all this time. It truly means the world to me. And then she said a little heart and Alex. She did include a couple other things, guys. I will show you that. But let's get to the piece of resistance. Now, hubby said I should make a thumbnail like this. Who knows? Maybe I did. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't make it yet. This is such... First of all, can we admire the packaging? I mean, come on, guys. Just look at this. This is just too cute. Too cute. And, you know... Like I said, I do have some Jeffree Star. My collection is not that big. When there's a sale or something, it has to be a really good sale. And it has to be available on Beautylish because they have Afterpay. And it's once a month. Because I just don't have money like that. You know, I just don't. You guys know that I run this channel solely on my own money. And it's very expensive. And yeah, I just don't have the money. But, so I would never think to, you know, it's not like I don't want something like this. Of course I would want something like this. And I did see this and I was like, oh my God. But I couldn't get it. I just didn't have the money. So, you know, I just get what I can. Now, the things I do have for myself, like the blood sugar palette, I did purchase secondhand. It was used. And I knew the person. They sanitized it. And I bought it from them. And they shipped it to me. But for me to buy something like this for myself, it would never happen. Because, not because I don't want to. It's just that I find it hard to justify purchasing anything like this for myself. And I know that's an issue. I need to get over it. You know, I need to get better with that. I'm working on it. It's a process. So anyway, so let's go ahead and open this. And I know you guys have seen it, but I want to show it to you because, yeah, I just do. So anyway, it comes with 6 lippies. Okay, so we have Shane. All right. Now, if you guys remember, this is, I believe, the one that smells like root beer. I know this is the Shane and Jeffree collection. So it says, this is Shane right here on the top. And guys, this one is a really, really pretty. Now, even if this is like a really nice, like grungy color, and I do believe there's like a shift on it or something. But, I mean, even if you don't want to put this on your lips, it's too dark or what have you, you can always use this as on your lid. And guys, that's gonna be like a foil, boom, in your face. Okay, and I'm gonna show you in a second. All right, so like we do have this color, that is Shane. Okay, and then we have Are You Filming right here? Okay, I hope I got these in there. Yeah, Are You Filming? Now again, even if you don't feel comfortable, like I probably wouldn't wear this on my lips, like by itself anyway, but I could, you know how I'm always trying to perfect that red look. Well, this would go perfect. Pat it out, blend it out, what have you, eyeliner, you know what I mean? Even if you want to use it as a lip liner, it's like you're versatile. And so you're not just getting lippies, you know, you're getting a whole lot more. And thank you, Alex, so much. So we have I Gotta Go, Jeffree, What the F, which is this pinky one. And then we have Oh My God. Okay, and that's that other pink one right here. Now, this one, Ryland, I have been trying to get this forever. And of course, like I said, I can only go on Beautylish and like get them when they're on sale. But every time I go over there, I always miss it. Now, even if you don't, now I do have some on my lips, okay, as you can see, just a very little bit. I had to put it on for the video. So now let's just say for a second, you don't want to put this on, you know, it's not your shade or whatever. You don't feel like you would, you know, want to wear it on your lips. You don't have to. Now, just ever so much, okay? All I have to do is go like this, and I have myself a beautiful, and I mean beautiful, foiled look on my eyes. Inner corner, I mean, you know, all over the lid, what have you. And not just with this shade, guys. I mean, I Gotta Go is a beautiful, beautiful bronzy, brassy color. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And to put that on my lids would be awesome. I probably would put this over some, like a neutral shade just in the center. I mean, there's just so many things you can do with these. And, you know, liners, what have you. Even graphic, you know, looks. I'm so excited. Anyway, can you tell? Jeez. Yeah, so, like I said, to win something like this is wonderful. To win it from somebody that you admire and enjoy and love to spend time with, you know, like I love clicking 100 videos. I love watching your videos. I always leave knowing something that I did when I clicked on the video. And that's amazing. For you to be able to do that darn near every single time, it's truly amazing. And like I said, I just wish and I pray that one day I can be 1/1,000,000th of a YouTuber that you are. Help people the way you do. It's just amazing. The way you keep it real, like that's what I'm all about. Like, you know, no BS. Give it to us straight. Like, I want to hear it straight. That's a definite plus in my book. That's what I look for in a YouTuber. That's what I look for on this platform, just in general. And you do bring that. And I just want to say thank you ever so much for that. And also, and let me just show you really quickly. She did include, from the Beauty Crop, these are like highlighter drops. I don't want to open it. The packaging is so cute. But I can, like, you know, I don't like use highlighter all that much. Sometimes, every now and then. But you can take a drop of these, like, and put it here if you want. You can also put a drop in your foundation to make, like, a more, like, glowy look. So I don't look so hella dry like I do right now. I am a little tired. It's about 4 in the morning and I'm filming. Also, there is this little eyeshadow palette from Oriza. I think that's, I have seen these in Ipsy, and I think I even have one, but not in this shade. But this is so perfect to put in your purse. Boom, you got your eyeshadow and you're ready to go. You know, your mattes, outer corner, what have you. Boom, 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 you're done. Even take one of these with you, put it in there and use it as a shimmer, inner corner, you know, the whole nine. Now, the one thing that I did get, and I did have this, I forget which box it was in. It was one of the boxes. I think maybe Allure, I don't know. But I gave it away. And I don't have any bottom lashes. And I mean, I do, very little. And they're very short and they're very stubborn and they're very hard to coat. But after watching your channel, Alex, I did realize that this has a wand that's like bent. So it's really good for getting those bottom lashes. So thank you for that. Because now, like I, you know, no matter what it is, I don't even care if I just sit it on my shelf forever, which I'm not going to do that. But I mean, this packaging, of course, but the stuff inside of it, no, I'm definitely going to use it. And I will get tons of use of it. So every time I use anything in this, you're getting tagged, girl. I can't say thank you enough. I'm super excited. Can you tell? Oh my God, I'm just like stumbling over my words. Okay. But I will use this because I can get it. And like I said, anything that I get, you know, I always say to you guys, right now, my people here can attest. You know, when I win a prize from somebody or somebody gives me something or gifts me something, I don't like give it away. You know what I mean? I won't put it in a giveaway or I won't give it to someone else. It stays with me. It's special. And like I said, winning this is wonderful. Winning it from you, Alex, is 100 times more special. So I'm not going to get all choked up. I promised myself I wouldn't. So no, we're not going to do that. Okay. So 1,000,000 times thank you. I'm so very happy. And like I said, you have a subscriber for life. You always have. You always did. And I had never any intentions on leaving. So just know that, okay? When I pull the glasses down, you know I'm serious. But yeah, guys. So this is what I won. And I'm so very excited. This is like going to go on my... I do want to put my beauty shelving behind me. So, you know, one day you may see that if I can get it together enough to have it as my background. These are good for like special occasions or what have you. I think when you look at somebody's backgrounds or their makeup collections, you kind of know a little bit more about them, you know, by the things that they have and the things they collect. And that's what I hope to do one day. So anyway, again, Alex, thank you so very much. And guys, you know, if you have not checked out the Natsuri with Stepmother, I can't imagine that you don't know who she is, but if you haven't, I will link her down below. Please go over there and show her some love. She much deserves it. You know, tell her I sent you, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure she'll remember me since she did send me this. But, yeah, you know, like I said, thank you so much, Alex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the world. This really does. This is a very special thing, and I will cherish it always. All right, guys, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It would mean the world. I would love to have you. And guys, for those of you who have been supporting me, thank you so much. You mean the world to me. Alex, again, thank you very much for this. And you will be, you know, I'll be dropping comments like I always do. And yeah, guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember to reach out if you're not feeling right. You know, don't hold it in. Talk about it. Find somebody you trust, somebody you can talk to, or just grab a stranger. Hell, grab me. I don't care. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm always available. And in this crazy mixed up world we live in, please remember, keep each other safe, and most of all, stay safe. See you next one, guys. Bye. Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much.